where I'm coming from. I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile sometimes.
Okay, hi babies, Mstoofine, welcome back to my channel. So this video is long overdue, like literally. I mean, anybody who asks me, I literally just type and tell them what I do, but I wanted, you know, to record a video to show you guys the progress of, you know, how my baby here has been growing. So of course, if you guys been following me, you know that when she was born, she had a lot of hair on her head. However, she lost quite a bit, and let me tell you, it was patchy all over, and so some parts could cornrow, and then the next part I just had to leave it because there was literally no hair there for me to catch it, you know, to cornrow. And so I used to use the Aveeno shampoo to wash her hair. Then my friend Chevelle, she put me on to this shampoo, which is the Herbal Botanical Deep Cleansing Dual Shampoo. And so I've been washing it, and what you do is when you soap up the hair, you kind of leave it so when you soap up the hair, you kind of leave it to stay in for a little, and then after I wash it out, I dry it, do whatever styling, and then I go in with the raw African shea butter, and I also mix it with the black castor oil. So what I'll do is when her hair is dry, I'll rub the raw African shea butter in it, then I style it, then I go through each part with both mixture, and let me tell you, this works, because as you can see, the progress with her hair growth is truly amazing. I did not grow with a lot of hair on my head, but I'm taking the initiative to use a different stuff to grow her hair, because I want her to have like good hair. Okay, I need her hair to grow longer than mine ever did, and so yeah, I'll be working on that. So I will show you guys in this video the different progress, so you can see it really works. And let me tell you, I think if I was being a little bit more consistent, her hair would have grown a lot longer. And so when I started, it used to be consecutive, like every time her hair wash and whatnot, but now it's not the same. So I'm trying to, you know, get back into the groove of things. But these items, they do work, so I do recommend, especially these two. Even if you don't get the shampoo, the raw African shea butter and the black castor oil, or good old Jamaican castor oil, it works like magic. So yeah, let me show you guys the progress, and I'll also show you what she's looking like right now. I don't have her with me, and so I just did my makeup, and so I say, you know what, let me just do this talk over. So when she come, I'll show you guys what her hair is looking like now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helps someone, and for those who have been asking, here's your answer, even though I do respond to you guys on Instagram, of course. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you aren't a subscriber as yet. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social medias. I love you all so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye babies.